Hey, fabulous travelers, it's Renee, and today we're tackling a classic travel struggle, packing light for a 5-day trip. Before you even open that suitcase, take a moment to plan. The secret to packing light? Building a capsule wardrobe. Stick to a versatile color palette. Think neutrals like black, white, beige, and denim. They're super easy to mix and match, creating multiple outfits from fewer pieces. Oh, and make sure to check that weather forecast so you're prepped for whatever comes your way. For a 5-day trip, here's my perfect formula. 3-4 breathable and lightweight tops. A mix of classic tees, a stylish blouse, and a cozy sweater for chilly evenings. 2 pairs of bottoms. Go for classic jeans and comfy leggings or trousers that can take you from day to night. For dresses or jumpsuits, 1 to 2 versatile pieces that are perfect for sightseeing by day and dinners by night. Layers. A lightweight jacket or cardigan that works with every outfit. And finally, 2 pairs of comfy sneakers or flats for all-day walking, and a stylish pair of sandals or boots for dressing up. Now here's the game changer. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only saves space, but also keeps them wrinkle-free. And of course, packing cubes are your best friends. Keep your tops and bottoms neatly organized so you can grab what you need in seconds. When it comes to toiletries, go for travel-sized bottles or reusable silicone containers. And bring multitasking products like a tinted moisturizer with SPF. For gadgets, keep it simple. Your phone, charger, earbuds, and maybe a compact camera if you're feeling fancy. And always pack your chargers and essentials in your carry-on. You'll thank me later. Your personal item is your secret weapon. Choose a roomy backpack or tote that fits your laptop, snacks, travel documents, and even an extra outfit if needed. Before packing everything away, lay out your clothes and play mix and match. This way, you can see exactly how many outfits you've got lined up and avoid overpacking. And that's how you pack like a pro for a 5-day trip. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion, travel, and style inspo.